Well, hello there. I'm a massive fan of the Victorinox Rambler. It's a wonderful little keychain tool. It's so useful, so light, perfect, almost. My preference over the wonderful Rambler was for the Victorinox Manager. All the same tools, but with the addition of a little pressurised ballpoint pen in one of the scales. They've, in their wisdom, discontinued this model last year. It's now 2024. You can't buy them anymore. So the only way you can get a Manager now is to take a Rambler and build your own with the appropriate scales. I've got a scale here, so I'm just going to pop the scales off this Rambler. These are a bit old and scratched. I'm going to put a shiny new yellow scale on one side and have either the tweezers or the toothpick in there. And I managed to get hold of some Silvertech pen slot scales, and separately the little pen insert mechanism which slots in there. And I've got some of these pressurised ballpoint pen refills I've had for donkey's years, which just slide in there. And then once this scale is on the knife, the slider mechanism, let's just push that right in there. The slider mechanism there just pushes the ballpoint pen forward. So I'm going to give this Rambler a bit of a refresh with a pen scale on one side and a nice shiny new unmarked yellow scale on the other side. So I'm going to have a silver and yellow homemade Victorinox Manager. Rambler's got a brilliant tool set. You've got this tiny 1.5 inch pen blade, but that's dead useful for opening packaging and things. You've got a blade here with a small flathead screwdriver tip, which does work on some Phillips screws as well. And you've got a little file on there. Fantastic small Victorinox scissors. These are perfect for nail maintenance and stuff like that. The superb little combo tool, bottle opener, a wire stripper notch, and this wonderful Phillips driver. I love this tool, it's excellent. Keyring there. Oh, just to mention as well, on the Victorinox Classic SD, the knife blade opens the same end as the keyring. If this is attached to your keys or something, that's really annoying, or potentially really annoying, because your keys are going to get in the way. On the Rambler, the keyring's that end, so it's not getting in the way of any of your cutting duties. Well done, that's better. Double slots, a toothpick on one side, tweezers on the other side. You sacrifice one of these tools when you add the pen scale, but you're gaining a pressurised ballpoint pen. Pressurised, so like the Fisher Space Pen, should work in extremes of temperature, high and low temperatures, writing over grease, writing underwater, and writing in outer space. So yeah, let's whip these scales off and get the new ones on. To remove the toothpick and the tweezers first. What shall I use to get these off? Let's try using the can opener. So, just going to slide that under there. Just a little gentle twist, off they pop. Ooh, that's really clean under there, nice. Same again on the other side. Let's just jemmy that in there gently, does it? Oh, I'm going to mark these ones. Try using a smaller blade and try not to cut my own fingers off. Yes, okay, that's off there. Again, slide her down, pop her off. Yeah, I've marked that one there a bit, unfortunately. They're still usable should I ever feel the need to reuse them. Just going to give this one a bit of a clean with an alcohol wiper. There you go, little buddy. I'll give these tools a bit of a clean up as well, huh? So that's cleaned. Next thing to do is just pop the old new scales on, innit? They're going to need to be pressed on with my vise in my garage to make sure that I fit them on without marking them. That's it. Quick squeeze gently on the vise there so as to not bend any of the internal components or anything. Perfect. Let's just get the keyring back on. I'm going to carry the toothpick but I'm not going to have that one. I'm going to have either a red or a green one. Oh, I think I'll take the green one for now. And then the pen just slides in there, pushes into the mechanism. That's it. Okay, it's going in now. So the pen has slid in there. To make it a more comfortable pen, I just... Oh my God, I've put it on the wrong way. You absolute dickhead, John. I've put it on the wrong way. I'm stupid. Pen's supposed to be that end. I could use it that way, I guess, but that keyring's just in the way. Alright, I'll have to flip this back off and put it back on. Stupid sod. Okay, so now I've reapplied, had to prise these off again, whip them around. I've put them on the right way around this time. Pen, I've slid the pen in there. A little mechanism there slides the pen in and out to make it more comfortable to use. I tend to flip that out. And, you know, because of the shape of the little knife, that makes it a relatively comfortable little pen. Ideal for jotting down quick notes, for writing my phone number down for all the top international supermodels that I meet in all the swankiest nightclubs, you know, and for signing stuff. I wouldn't want to write War and Peace with it, but for little notes, just perfect. Homemade little Victorinox Manager, because Victorinox have decided to stop making them. Absolutely wonderful little tool. What do you reckon to this colour scheme? I don't know. Looks alright, bit different I suppose, innit? Good luck getting hold of the pen scales if you wanted to do this. There's a few sellers on eBay and Etsy and such like that are selling them. So yeah, excellent little pocket tool. Carry one with you, always.